Your name? From state? All the best. Thank you very much. Good day.
Look up. Yes, sir. How are you? Hello, look up.
Out there is available platoon number 10 platoon on the manual ground. 10 platoon. Fred, pretty baby. Hi there, baby. Yeah, still available platoon number 10 on the manual ground. We have a special spot in the house here. This is NYSC comes in the form of hospitality. Yeah, still available platoon 10 platoon. 10 platoon. Hey, the man. Good, bro. Yes, sir. How far? Fine, bro. I'm not saying. Fine, sir. Yes, bro. How far?
What's the meaning of it? To assault.
Assault.
Huh?
Assault.
Yeah.
Accordingly.
Hey, Napisha.
Pretty baby. Hi, baby. Pretty cutie. My country people. Hello, baby.
As you, what's the meaning of assault? Don't allow them to abuse you. Are we together?
Yes, sir.
This one is called
Abuse of different forms.
balance yourself up. See them back. The next one is called Haba steps. You see it back? Good. This one is called run up. You run up. The next one is called crossing bar.
Crossing bar.
This one is called swing and regain.
I remember when she was.
This thing they on a video. Sharp.
What's her name, bro?
Yes,
We're training for the Meduguri.
Yeah, we're going to Sambisa soon, you know.
Sambisa Forest.
In it.
All the best. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Listen up, everybody. Listen up, everybody. Yes, sir. Please, hey, why now? You know that they are smart. GZ. Sir.
That what? Hey, that what happened?
What happened?
Platoon number 10 platoon on the manual ground. Okay, let's go there. Okay, nice one, good one. Alright, now see about platoon number 10 platoon on the manual ground. How not day, my country people? What am I can do? Am I can do better? How not day?
People should answer now.
Yes, so that's my baby. We have the special coordinator here, no small thing. Hi there, baby. That's my girl. She's rolling for me, no small thing. Okay, let's go. Good. Okay, look up. I love that ringing too. Makes sense. Okay, let's go. Use your waist, bro. Yeah, see the member of platoon number 10 platoon. Bro, how far? I did.
Yeah, hold on. No be fall down that side.
Okay, now let's go. Let's go. Alright, now bend down. Take your position. Alright, look up. What a man can do, a woman can do better. Let's go. Action time.
Lie down.
Let's go. Alright, now that's my girl. Very good, baby. That's my girl. Push it out. Yes, baby. Not a small thing. Okay, nice one. Let's go. I love that sound. Okay, let's go. action time. Yeah, still member of platoon number 10, 10 platoon.
Number 10.
All right, let's go. All right, let's go. Take your position. Move it out. Okay, Moje. Okay. All right, let's go. Up. Up. Good. Up.
Go down.
Ayan na, natin.
Your hand at the back.